Now, the next we are going to learn about plants, how the exchange of gases takes place. This already we have done, already we have learned. Now, the exchange of gases takes place through our opening called stomata. Through our opening called stomata. The stomata is only hole which send gases and send out extra water, send out O2. But the respiration takes place in all the cells of a plant. See, during the process of respiration, what happens? The glucose, it takes the oxygen and gives energy. It takes oxygen. Already glucose is there. It's prepared by the plant. Yes or no? Then see the stem part of it or the trunk part of it. They themselves do the respiration. Photosynthesis done only through the leaves. But respiration, the whole body can do it through their own openings. They will do it through small openings in the leaves called. Now here the water vapor CO2, this is called, what is this is called? This is a stomata. This is a structure of the stomata. This is a guard cell that will open and close. Whenever it's needed, it will open. When oxygen is entering, it will open. When transpiration, that is sending out excess air, it will open. See the one stomata. One stomata. Can you see the guard cell? See, like a gate. நம்ம அம்மா சாப்பாடு கொடுத்தா எப்படி வாய் முடிப்பாங்க சின்ன குழந்தைங்க அது மாதிரி it will closes and open. If it is a favorite food, your mouth will open like that. No, the same way, when oxygen enters, it will open like that. When carbon dioxide comes out, it will open like that. When anything else which is not necessary for this one, what will happen? It will closes. Suppose excess air is where it is sending out, all water is going out, what will happen? It will not allow. So, here, roots also takes up air spaces from between the soil particle. Root takes up air from the air spaces between the soil particles. The root air spaces, all that it will be taken by their own, it goes to the cells. Respiration takes place throughout the day. The photosynthesis takes place when there is a sunlight. During photosynthesis, CO2 will be taken, and CO2 means carbon dioxide will be taken, oxygen will be given out. During respiration, oxygen will be given out, oxygen will be taken in, carbon dioxide will be given out. See, mostly respiration will be done mostly in the night. During the daytime, when the sunlight is not there, it will respire. But throughout it has to respire and give energy for the plant. That's all, children. So far you have learned so much about respiration, so much of different animals, all that. Please, wherever necessary, do the drawing, because here I don't want to tell you what to draw, what not to draw, because everything is very, very important. Here I want you to draw the tracheal system of see, there is a question means you have to draw the tracheal system of cockroach. If there is a question about fish, you have to draw the fish and show the gills, and you can say take some diagrams from your video. See, the videos are more informative, means use the more information. For your sake only we are giving, and for the plant just show it. For earthworm, it is there in the video. All the questions I am sending it to you, 30 words and 50 words. What you have to do, wherever necessary, do the drawings and submit the notebook after 15 days. Now, this week test portion, this respiration one word, PIS, that will be given on Tuesday. This is a test number. One of you just put it in the what is the test number, because I have to set the question paper. The question paper will be given to you. During this 15 days, whenever you are free, whenever your parents are comfortable, see that you write your test. And before that, how many tests are over? I think it's the 7th test. If I'm wrong, one of you please put it from either from A or B, a boy or a girl, whatever it is. One of you just tell me, Miss, what you are going to conduct is this is the number of the test. Before that, the test is not written means borrow from someone, take the question paper, give it to your parents, write the test. Suppose if I have conducted 20 tests, all the 20 test marks should be there at the back of your test note with the date, with the sign of your parents, with the heading. Please, children, this is for your good I'm doing, because many parents are finding it hard. Many of you all are finding it hard. See, now we are allowing it to enjoy and learn. Anything you enjoy and do it, it will be beautiful, it will be correct, it will be fantastic. That will make you to go up. Okay? Right. Thank you and stay safe. The question paper, 30 words, 50 words, and your videos will be given on Monday. From then, before the next Monday, I will tell you one date. One class send the maps, one class send the notebook, another class another day send the notebook. After 15 days, please don't send in between at all. You no need to hurry at all. Plus, avoid emojis, because you have to see the lesson. You have to learn the lesson. You have to do it. See, we are not in a normal position. I can understand. That's why I'm giving the question paper to you. Whenever you feel it, at least you will be learning that much. You will be good children. I know you are all very good children. Do that. Now, when the date is given, I am having a notebook. I'll put a tick that you have completed. Even in the phone, I have everything when you submitted, what day you submitted, but only the last page, because your parents are signing in it. That means your parents have checked. Tell your parents, see that I have colored it, I have marked it. Write 2 points about the diagrams. You are 7th standard. Thank you, children. Stay safe.